Hello, dear artificial intelligence enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of AI agents. Now, I bet you're wondering, what exactly is an AI agent and why is it such a hot topic right now? Well, buckle up because we're about to explore the core concepts of AI agents, break down the latest trends, and uncover how these agents are reshaping industries as we know them. So, what is an AI agent? Let's paint a picture here. Imagine this. One person doing the work of hundreds or even thousands of people. But instead of humans, we're talking about AI agents. These agents are designed to handle massive amounts of data, communicate seamlessly with other systems, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But guess what? This is real, and it's happening right now. In the future, it's likely that we will have more AI agents than people. Just let that sink in. Millions, billions, or even trillions of AI agents all working together, performing tasks that, at this moment, we can hardly imagine. Let's take a step back for a second. Over the past few months, we've been diving deep into the AI agent ecosystem, studying its most recent developments and exploring how these agents are being deployed in the real world. And now, in this video, we're going to distill all of that knowledge for you. By the end of this, you'll not only understand what an AI agent is, but also why it's such a revolutionary technology and where we're heading next. What exactly does an AI agent do? In simple terms, it's like your personal assistant, but on steroids. It's a piece of software that doesn't need constant guidance or input from a human. Unlike traditional software, which typically requires you to tell it exactly what to do, AI agents can operate independently. They're smart enough to make decisions on their own based on the information they're given. And the best part? You don't have to keep feeding them prompts. They can take the wheel and keep going on their own. At its core, an AI agent is powered by a large language model, LLM, just like the ones you've probably heard about, but with extra capabilities like tools and knowledge bases that allow it to perform complex tasks autonomously. Think of it as a supercharged automation tool. But wait, it gets even better. AI agents are not just about answering questions or doing simple tasks. They're about handling the tough stuff. In the future, AI agents will be everywhere, managing entire systems with minimal human oversight. From finance and law to autonomous driving and disaster response, the possibilities are practically limitless. Just imagine a world where AI agents run everything from traffic systems to financial markets. That's the kind of future we're talking about, and it's coming faster than you might think. Now, let's get into the meat of it. What makes an AI agent tick? There are four main features that make an AI agent unique. First, the core component is the large language model, or LLM. This is essentially the brain of the operation. It's what allows the agent to understand and generate human language just like we do. But here's the thing. While LLMs are incredibly powerful, they come with trade-offs. Things like the size of the model, the context windows, and the training data all influence how well the AI performs. So yes, while LLMs are the engine, it's important to consider these factors when building or using an AI agent. The second feature? Tooling. AI agents aren't just smart, they're capable of using tools too. Think about it. An AI agent can interact with web browsers, custom functions, or even databases, enabling it to perform a wide range of tasks that would have been impossible just a few years ago. This is a massive leap forward compared to the early days of AI, where everything had to be done manually. Now, agents can pull information from the internet, run complex queries, and execute commands, all without breaking a sweat. This is a game changer for industries like finance, healthcare, and logistics, where quick, accurate decision-making is essential. Next up is the architecture of the agent. This is where things get really interesting. AI agents operate using something called prompt engineering techniques. What does that mean? Well, instead of giving the agent one big task, we break the task down into smaller, more manageable steps. The agent then goes through each step, checks to make sure everything makes sense, and moves on to the next task. Think of it as teaching the AI to think logically, one step at a time. Methods like chain of thought or reflection are commonly used to make sure the agent's thought process is structured and logical. This is crucial for ensuring that the AI doesn't go off track and can handle complex tasks efficiently. And finally, the fourth key feature is knowledge. AI agents can be equipped with different knowledge bases depending on the industry or task they're assigned to. For instance, if you're working in finance, you can load the agent with all the relevant financial data, regulations, and market trends. Or if you're in the legal field, you can provide it with access to legal documents, case law, and regulations. This allows the AI to not only perform tasks, but to do so with a high degree of accuracy and contextual understanding. Essentially, the more knowledge the agent has, the better it performs. Now let's clear up a common misconception. What's the difference between a chatbot and an AI agent? A lot of people get these two confused. Chatbots, like the ones you've probably used before, are great for answering questions and having basic conversations. They're like your friendly assistant who helps you out when you ask for something. But here's the catch. They can't do much beyond that. They rely on you to keep asking questions or giving them prompts. AI agents, on the other hand, are on a whole different level. They don't just respond, they act. Imagine an assistant who not only answers your emails, but schedules meetings, writes reports, and even handles legal documents for you, all without you having to lift a finger. That's the power of an AI agent. We're still in the early days of AI agents, but there are already some pretty exciting use cases out there. Let's take autonomous cars, for example. Companies like Tesla are leading the charge by moving beyond rule-based systems and embracing AI agents that can learn and make decisions in real time. Another interesting use case is in disaster response. Robots equipped with AI agents are being trained to handle emergency situations like natural disasters or hazardous environments. And don't even get me started on the finance and legal sectors. AI agents are revolutionizing how we handle large amounts of data and regulations. Imagine an AI agent that can scan through thousands of legal documents in minutes, or one that can analyze stock markets and predict trends faster than any human ever could. The potential here is huge. Now, if you've made it this far, I'm guessing you're pretty deep into the AI rabbit hole, just like us. So let's take a quick look at the latest developments in this space. Right now, most of the advancements in AI agents are focused on how we engineer the prompts they use. One interesting approach is called reflect and act, which helps agents tackle complex problems by breaking them down and iterating on possible solutions. Another concept gaining traction is the mixture of experts approach. This method reduces errors by combining the outputs of multiple models, similar to how techniques like boosting work in traditional machine learning. So, how do you choose the right AI agent for your project? Well, it all comes down to trade-offs. What skills do you have? What resources are available? AI agents are still evolving, which means that the tools and APIs we use today are constantly changing. There's a risk in relying on a single tool that might not cover all your needs. But at the same time, building your own custom solution can be a huge investment. So it's all about finding that balance. And that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for sticking around until the end. Did you like the video? Then please subscribe. And if you want to be informed the next time I upload a video, then activate the bell. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay real.